YS Circuit have over 10 years rich experience in PCB manufacture and assembly. We specialize in providing all sizes with full range and high-quality multi-layer PCB, metal PCB, rigid flex, HDI, FPC, and SMT service. We can cover from 24 hours quick-turn PCB prototyping to full production, part sourcing to full turnkey assembly, and PCB design instructions to PCB material suggestions. If you're looking for a reliable PCB manufacturer, the search is over. As one of the most popular PCB fabrication companies in China, YS Circuit is the place to go for all your PCB fabrication needs.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.